Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to the Crafty Bird. I hope you're all doing fine. Today's tutorial is about this beautiful wall hanging. We will learn how to make these balls. So let's get started. To make this wall hanging, you are going to need styrofoam balls like these. These are 2 inches in size, 2 inches in measurement. You can say from one end to another, like this. So this is the size of ball I'm going to use. Then I'm using different sorts of fibers, golden color thread. This is very thin wool, and here another size of wool I'm using. Then take 50 inches of double stranded cotton and fold this in half. So you can use any screwdriver like this or anything pointed, and then just made a hole. Then by using this crochet hook, take the 50 inches of cord that is folded in half and pass it through the ball like this. Okay, now we are going to add more balls. It totally depends upon your design and also upon the length of the wall hanging you need. So like this, I just made the hole, and then by the help of the crochet hook, so I just added these 2 balls. I'm going to add 3 balls. So like this, we just added these balls. So next we are going to require this 4 mm cotton rope. This is double stranded cotton rope, as you can see. So we will just cut 70 inches of one cord, and then we will start untwisting it, right? So unravel this like this. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I will pull this cord like this. As you can see, pull it like this, and you can easily separate these 2 cords, and you can get a hard texture like this. This texture can be used in many other wall hangings, as I'm thinking right now, but right now I have to separate this. And here you can see we have these 2 strands. So just like this, we have to separate 6 ropes. That means we have to cut 70 inches of 6 cords. Each cord is 4 mm in diameter, like this, and then we will separate these 6 cords, and they will turn into 12 single stranded cords. So we are going to use 12 single stranded cords later on in this wall hanging, right? Here you can see I'm using this PVC pipe, and I just colored it black, right? So I want to use black dowel, and as you can see I'm just giving a little tinge of black here also. So these 3 rows are completed. Now I'm going to show you these 2 rows how to make this. So we are using this 50 inches of cord which is folded in half, and we added 3 styrofoam balls in this. Now makes reverse or locks and knot. I attached these balls here by the help of locks and knot. You can use reverse or locks, whatever you like, because these cords will hide under the untwisted cords we are going to use. So here you can see these are the cords which we just separated and unraveled. We were using 4 mm cord, and each cord was 70 inches long, and then we just unravel these cords to get these threads. So find the middle point. I'm just finding the middle point here. So these are the ends. And now by holding the middle point like this, roughly arrange everything and just keep the middle point over the lark's head on. So this is our middle point and I'm keeping this over like this. So this is our middle point here. So now you're going to use a comb, and you can use a regular comb which you use at your home. By keeping the middle point in your hand tightly, just comb a little bit of little area, not the whole 70 inches of cord, just a little area. This is the middle point. I'm just combing it. Now keep this combed area over the lark's head knot. So this is the lark's head knot, and over it you will keep the combed portion like this. So you can always turn your work and then comb the back side also. Now this area is totally combed, so we will just make wrapping knot like this here. You can use any color you want, like I want to use let's say we will use sky blue. Okay, so I'm going to use sky blue yarn here and we will make wrapping knot. So by combing the cords, keep them in a nice and clean way and then just make this wrapping knot. If you don't know how to make a wrapping or gathering knot, you can watch the tutorials and then just keep making this wrapping knot like this. So you need to wrap the fibers or threads like this. So it was initially a 4 mm rope, but then we unraveled it into single stranded rope. Now these single stranded cords are turned into fibers after we comb them. So here you go, we are just closing this wrapping knot like this. Pull everything tight. So like this. Okay, you can always spread the upper threads and try to attach their ends. This will look beautiful. It's not necessary, optional, but you can do this. This will look beautiful. So now we are going to add this ball, because this is the space where we are arranging our ball, first ball. So pull the ball upward like this and then start combing the fibers. This will take time, this will take some patience, and as you know, macrame is all about patience. So keep combing them bit by bit. This is the front portion, and then we have this ball, and this is the back side. So step by step you can comb these. So we are going to comb this, and please be patient and it will take some time. You have to comb bit by bit and a small area once at a time, because if you will if you will try to comb the whole cord at once, these will get tangled. So bit by bit, slowly, and try to keep these cords separate. Keep separating them from each other so you will not result in a tangled rope. So as you can see, I just combed them. Now slowly cover the whole ball. Keep combing it. This will take few time, but you will be successful in the end. So keep combing it. So here you can see the result in just few seconds. Now I will spend few more time on it. Try to evenly distribute the fibers over this ball. Space where we can add another ball, because this is the gap here. So this is the place we are going to add the second ball. So start combing just like before, little bit slowly, and try to avoid any rope tangling. Done. Now you have to do one more step. You can use any kind of German white glue, any adhesive that will remain transparent, and then make half water and part glue solution like this. Brush it on the balls like this. We will do this so that the fibers will remain intact on their position. So after applying part water and part white glue on this piece, now it's air drying. You have so many options to create such wall hangings. Like you can use any size of styrofoam balls, and you can create so many options. Like you can use different colors. You can even just tie a single knot under the ball, and then you add another ball. So as per your imagination and the design you want, you can design so many things. So the only thing you need to learn by this tutorial is that how to cover the ball and how to create fibers by 4 mm or 3 mm rope. So after learning this, you have so many options. So go ahead and try by yourself. So we just completed our project today. I hope you love this beautiful wall hanging. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Until the next tutorial, please take care of yourself and Khuda Hafiz.